Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to remove first the main roller brush motor, second the wheels module, and third the side brush motors for your vacuum DEEBOT N79 and N79S. First, flip your robot vacuum upside down. Then you need to remove the dustbin and main roller brush and the cover. While I'm cleaning my vacuum, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos to your friends and family. Take out your screwdriver to remove most of the screws at the bottom of the vacuum, except the screws on top of the battery. Make sure you take out the screws. There are a total number of 6 screws of the bumper. After the cover is removed, don't forget to unplug the wire. Don't forget to turn off your machine before you start the job. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the main roller brush motor. You will need to check if your motor has a built-in chip or not. Please ensure you purchase the correct motor. Unplug the wire on the motherboard and remove the screw. Now you can remove the motor. After you have removed your main roller brush motor, now I'm going to show you how to remove the wheel module. There are 2 wheels and 2 side brushes in this vacuum. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the right wheel module and brush motor. There are 3 screws you need to remove. One of the screws is next to the sensor, and you need to put some effort to unscrew it carefully. You need to fix the wires carefully because it was stuck with the wheel module. Unplug the wire attached to the wheel module. You will need to unscrew 3 screws on the motherboard before you remove the side brush motor. Afterward, you need to unplug some wires on the motherboard because the side brush is built underneath the motherboard. Now you can see the side brush motor is underneath the motherboard. Now unscrew 3 screws on the side brush motors. Don't forget to remove the side brush first before you can remove the side brush motor. And now you can take out the motor. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. And also you can purchase the motors and the wheel modules at our Amazon shop. You can see the link in our video here. Thank you for watching. Bye.